Morning children, welcome back to social class. We already in which lesson? Block 8 coming of the meditation. First LP what we had seen? Freedom for all. After that we have seen impact of British, how British were ruled, how British has ruled our India and what are the impacts on the people of the British ruling, right? So what we had seen that farmers and the merchants of the Surat and Bengal were affected by the Britishers. Only these farmers and merchants only affected because of the British, not other people. Yes, the people who are working under the British also affected. Mainly the Sipais who used to work as a soldiers in British army. Yes, some Indian people also worked as Sipai in the Indian army who call as Sipais also used to pay very less money as a salary comparing to the British army. The people who are working for the British government as a soldiers, what they used to call as Sipais. That Sipai used to get very less money as their salaries comparing to the British army, and they didn't even got the promotions. When two people are working at the same time, if one person is getting promoted and he is being treated very good because of the British army and another person is not treating as a good manner and he is not getting any promotion and has good money, how he will feel? Definitely he will be get angry on the system, right? So we have that little later some people had find out that Indian army also getting angry because of the British government, how they are treating them. So slowly they are getting angry and the angry people are gathering like a one group who are getting angry on the British government. After that what happened means slowly British government has introduced one rifle to the Indian army, that is called Enfield rifle. Yes, what I said that the British government has introduced one rifle which is called Enfield rifle in the year of 1857 to the Indian army. To the Indian army they have introduced one rifle. Rifle means a big gun where it will be like a big gun. So that is called as Enfield rifle in the year of 1857. But what is the problem with that means what we will have in the rifles? Bullet. But in those time we didn't have that iron bullet. How we have to use means we have to bite the bullet and we have to insert the powder into that Enfield rifle. Okay, then they have to use that rifle. To bite that rifle, what is the problem had faced by Indian army is that to move that bullet they need some grease inside the rifle. They need some grease to move that bullet in an easy method, right? So to grease that bullet they have used that British army has used that cow and pig fat. Now if we have any gate is struck means what we will do? We will pour some coconut oil to make that easily movable, the gate or anything, right? To light that only, to make that bullet go inside easily, they have greased that bullet cow fat and with the pig fat. But cow is a holy animal for the Indians and pig is not acceptable by the Muslims. And who are these two people who are working as an Indian army for the? If the Sipai has to use that bullet, if the Sipai has to insert that bullet into rifle, what they have to do? They have to bite that bullet with their mouth and they have to insert the gunpowder into the gun. So, is this acceptable by the Hindus and Muslims because the fat was used by the cow and pig. So, this is not acceptable by the Hindu Sipais. So, mainly who the person opposed this means the Mangal Pandey. Yes, the person who opposed this to use that bullet into that Enfield rifle means Mangal Pandey. This is the person who is also working as a Sipai under the British government from the Indian country. So the name of the main Sipai is Mangal Pandey, where he has opposed Barakpur in Kolkata. Near Barakpur in Kolkata, he used to work as a Sipai under the British government. The main person who raised his voice against the British government to use that bullet into that Enfield rifle because he believes that cow is a holy animal and it was not acceptable by the Hindus and as well as the Muslims also, because that pig is forbidden animal for the Muslims. That's why they both opposed to use this cartridge. But British soldiers has forced them to use that. then Mangal Pandey, Sipahi, has raised his voice against the British government. There, the main incidents happened in the Indian history, that is known as 1857 Revolt of Sipahis. That is the first revolution of India which is happened against the British government. Yes, this revolution when it has happened 1857 revolt, because there the Sipahi has started raising their against the British government, and this revolt is famous as Sipahi Mutiny. Why Sipahi Mutiny means? Who are the Sipahis? The people who are working under the British government as soldiers. Who are those? Indian people or British people? Indian people. That's why they are known as Sipahi, and they have raised their voice against the British government. Mutiny means nothing but revolt. So who started the first revolt in India? The Sipahi has started first revolt in the year of 1857. That's why 1857 revolt also known as a Sipahi Mutiny. This is the only one reason. Because of this reason only Sipahi has got revolt. Only because that British government has forced them to use that cow and pig cartridges to insert in the Enfield rifle. No, there are other causes also. The Sipahi are getting angry on the British government because they are not treating equally along with the British soldiers, and they are not getting any promotion, and they are not getting any good salary for their work. They are suppressing by the British government. So but the sad thing is that Sipahi Mutiny or the 1857 revolt has suppressed by the British government, because the people who raised their voice against the British government were very handful Sipahi. That means full soldiers didn't oppose the British government. Only some people, only some of the handful Sipahis only opposed the British government. That's why all the people didn't got encouraged this revolt against the British government, because at that time they didn't know the technologies, they didn't have the Enfield rifles or any army like that British government used to have. Their Indians, what is the other thing I have told about Indian problem? That Indian people never had a unity among them. So we have a problem because of the British government. Who are those people who are facing? The farmers, the merchants. Along with the farmers, merchants, who are the other people who faced that problem because of the government means now Sipahis. But these three people had fought for different reasons. They didn't fought against the British for one reason. Lack of unity. Because of the lack of unity among the Indian people caused for the suppress of the revolt of 1857. Yes, who was the main person who opposed his voice and who raised the revolt against the British government in the year of 1857? Who is that Sipahi? Mangal Pandey, where he has raised his voice in Barakpur, Kolkata. After that, some kings and queens also have joined in this revolt to support the Indian Sipahis. Let's see who are those people. The people who participated in the revolution of 1857 or Sipahi Mutiny. Nana Sahib. Who is this Nana Sahib? Nana Sahib is an adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao. In Maratha kingdom, Peshwa means he is also calculated as a king. Peshwa means king. So, Nana Sahib is a son of Peshwa Bajirao, but he is not his own son, he is an adopted son. In the second LP, what we had seen, that British government has occupied the princely states. What I have told, that the kings and queens who doesn't have any children, that kingdoms used to occupied by the British government. They are not, even if they used to adopt any children, that British government that adoption is not agreed by the British government, and they used to capture their kingdom. Like that only, Nana Sahib, even it is an adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao and he is a king of Maratha kingdom, that adoption is not calculated by the British government, and they tried to capture the Maratha kingdom. So Nana Sahib did oppose this, and he also joined the 1857 revolution of the Sipahis. After that, who opposed British government means Tantia Tope. Who is Tantia Tope? Tantia Tope is another king of Kanpur. When British government has captured the Kanpur kingdom, he also formed as a huge army, and he also fought against the British government by joining Tantia Tope and Rani Jhansi Lakshmibai. Who is Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai? You know that? Yes, we already have a lot of stories about Rani Lakshmibai. Who is she? She is a queen of Jhansi. Jhansi is a kingdom. Actually, her name is Lakshmibai. Because of she is ruling the Jhansi kingdom, she got the name of Jhansi Lakshmibai. We heard a lot of stories about Jhansi Lakshmibai, how daredevil she is. Even in those days, she is a woman, but she used to fight as a Pakka Sipai and as Pakka man. He used to fight along 100 with 100 people in as one person. She used to defeat them very easily. So that is that much powerful lady she is. She has joined this Nana Sahib and Tantia Tope in the 1857 revolt, and she supported them in the revolution. And after that, Begum Hazrat Mahal, who is the queen of Awadh. Who is that? Begum Hazrat Mahal, the queen of Awadh. She also joined because her husband was expelled by the British government. In that time, who used to oppose or who used to raise their voice against the British government, whether they used to get punishment from the British government, or they used to keep in the prisons by the British government, or they used to expel from the their kingdoms. Their own kingdom only they used to expel. That means they have to go away from their kingdoms. If they enter into their kingdoms, the British government will use to arrest them. So these are some handful leaders who participated in the revolt of 1857. But this revolution didn't got succeeded. What is their main aim? Because the farmers, merchants, Sipai, some kings and queens, some leaders may join the revolt, but they all have fought for different causes. They didn't fight for only one main reason. What is the main problem all of the Indians are facing in those times? That they were ruling under the British government and they are treating as slaves, and they are not getting good income, and they are, because of the British government, they are suppressing, right? But they didn't fought as a cause for that. What they did? They fought against the British government for different reasons. And what they didn't have? They didn't have any unity among all these people. That's why that 1857 revolt was suppressed by the British government. After that, what are the changes that got into India? We will see. Yes, what are the main changes which we have seen after 1857 revolt? The first change was that 1857 Sipai revolt was suppressed by the British government with their forcible organized military by the British government. And after that, India came under the direct rule of the Queen of England. That British government has realized that East India Company is no more capable to rule the India. So what they have decided after 1857 revolt means they decided that India must come under the rule of their Queen of England. So the India came directly after 1857, that India came directly under the rule of Queen of the England. But have you noticed one thing, that this is the first time where maybe some Indians, not all of the Indian country has become one unit, but some of the people has came as one and they tried to fight against for some British government. And this is the first time where they have got at least one time for the national feeling, the strongest national feeling, that at least we are some people maybe, but we are one and we have to fight against the British government. Maybe the reasons are different, but at least for one time they have fighted as one group of the country, right? Have you noticed? So I hope you understood the lesson. Everyone open the volume please. Yes, everyone open page number 47 and S4. Revolt of the 1857. So what is the first question here? We have name some leaders of the revolt of 1857. Who are the main leader who raised his voice against the British government? First Sipai, yes, Mangal Pandey, Tantia Tope, Jhansi Lakshmibai, and that Begum Hazrat Mahal. You have to read the lesson after finishing the LP. So you will get the names. After that, what do the pictures tell us about the revolt of 1857? Here we have some pictures. Yes, See here that Sipahis, Indian Sipahi fighting with the British. Are you able to see? Yes. And here that British soldiers looting Quasir Bagh, Lucknow after its recaptured in 1857. So here some fighting pictures here we have. So what you are capable and what you are observing here, you have to write in your own words that how Sipahis are fighting against the British government, and after suppressing the revolt by the British government, how they are treating Indian Sipahis in this picture. You have to write your own words. And after that, what is the third question? What were the changes in India after the revolt of 1857? What are the changes we already discussed about that 1857 revolt suppressed by British army? That's a revolution has suppressed by whom? That organized British army, didn't it? After that, India came under whose direct rule? Yes, Queen of England. India came under the direct rule of Queen England. Why it happened? Because that East India Company is no more capable. What British government had thought? That East India Company is no more capable to rule the India. So that's why they felt that India must be under the Queen of England. So children, we have finished that lesson S4 also. What is the name of the S4? The 1857 revolt or Sipahi mutiny. We have finished. What is the main reason for that we have discussed, and who are the leaders who participated in the revolt of 1857 also we have discussed. So you have to read the lesson, and afterwards what you have to do? You have to start writing the notes. How you are going to write the notes? First you have to write hard words. Did you know? Glossary. And if we have any fill in the blanks, you're supposed to write the fill in the blanks also. Okay. So I'll send you a note. Start writing hard words. Did you know? Glossary. It will be easy to write the notes. I hope you all understood the lesson. Read lesson after finishing each LP. Thank you.